In the mid-19th century, nursing as we know it began to take shape. At the forefront was Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. Nightingale revolutionized healthcare with simple yet powerful principles: cleanliness, observation, and meticulous record keeping. For decades, nurses relied on paper charts. As healthcare became more complex, the demand for accurate data intensified. Today, technology is integral to nursing, turning caregivers into data-driven innovators.
Join us as we explore the trends and challenges shaping nursing informatics today, where technology meets compassion in the heart of healthcare.
In the Philippines, nursing is undergoing a digital transformation. The use of electronic health records and telemedicine has become crucial for improving patient care. Nurses now provide remote care, enhancing accessibility, especially in rural areas. However, these advancements require continuous training and collaboration with IT specialists to tackle implementation challenges. To gain insights into technology integration, we spoke with Sergio Hughes, an IT technician at our nursing school.
The Polo ay ginagamit para ang mga estudyante ay mahasa yung mga skills. Dito pa lamang sa College of Allied Medicine, nasisiguro na yung kanilang skills ay maganda at kalidad. So with the help of Apollo din, na-integrate na rin yung mga estudyante sa paggamit ng technology, hindi lang sa basta more on healthcare. So yan, pagdating naman kay Victoria, napakadami ng kanyang functions kasi high fidelity simulation siya. Birthing simulation na doon naman pinapakita na nanganganak yung pasyente, and with the use of simulation nakikita ng estudyante at na-experience nila yung kung ano yung magagawa nila pagdating ng kanilang dutyhan or RLE.
Integrating technology into nursing education empowers future nurses to navigate the complexities of the digital healthcare landscape. By fostering a culture of innovation and adaptability, we can ensure that these professionals are not just caregivers, but also knowledgeable leaders in the realm of nursing informatics, prepared to deliver high-quality care in a never-evolving environment. While technology plays a pivotal role in advancing nursing practice,
It also brings light to several present issues that future nurses must navigate.
to gain a better understanding of these challenges, we turn to a senior nursing student who is currently experiencing the realities of nursing informatics firsthand.
So yung na-focus ka talaga na challenges sa area na ano ko is yung paggamit pa rin natin ng traditional charting, since as part of the electronic information system, doon na natin dapat binibase yung ating patient care, yung medications nila, and yung pagpo-provide ng care natin sa ating mga patients all throughout our shift. Since nag-evolve yung ating industry ng information technology, prone pa rin siya sa data breaches. Kasi since it is a data-based system, maaari tayo maka-experience dyan ng mga hackers or data breachers na maaaring kapag na-breach nila yung data system natin, it could also invade the privacy of our patients.
Furthermore, current issues in nursing informatics in the Philippines include the lack of interoperability among health information systems, shortage of informatics-trained nurses, and inadequate IT infrastructure in rural areas, limiting access to central digital tools.
We really need to adapt the healthcare setting that we have here in the Philippines right now. And I believe na kung mayroon na tayong mga nursing informatics na ini-integrate sa ating healthcare, mas need pa natin siyang i-improve. Kasi it would not only benefit the patients, but also it would benefit the healthcare profession in general. Not only the nurses, but also the doctors and other healthcare professionals na involved sa care sa ating patient.
As we've explored, the nursing profession in the Philippines stands at a crucial crossroads. By addressing current issues and fostering a culture of innovation, we empower future nurses to lead in nursing informatics. Together, we can bridge the gap between technology and compassionate care, ensuring a brighter future for healthcare in the Philippines.